Artisanal handmade rubber sandals are common in Ghana. These craft footwear are made from rescued vehicles' tires. The process begins with gathering discarded tires from mechanic shops or scrap yards. Then, skilled local craftsmen carefully cut, shape, and sculpt the tires into comfortable soles. They add colorful threads and beads to enhance the aesthetic appeal. The sandals provide a sustainable solution to tire waste while also supporting local craftsmanship. Not only are they eco-friendly, but they are also incredibly durable and perfect for rough terrains. The rubber soles provide excellent grip, making them ideal for walking on uneven surfaces. Did you know that these recycled car tire sandals have gained popularity around the globe? Celebrities and fashion enthusiasts from all walks of life are now proudly wearing them. By purchasing a pair, you contribute to waste reduction and support the local economy. If you found helpful this information about recycling ideas, then please subscribe to this channel for more, also like and share.